Hi everyone, I'm going to do a really quick video, I hope, of 2 bingo prize donations that came in. The first 2 are donated by Erin in the Adirondaks, and I know she purchased them from Debbie Ham in her online YouTube sale and had her mail them here. So I'm going to assume that Debbie made them. And if that's not correct, Debbie, if you'd leave a comment below, I'd appreciate it. I don't see a signature in them, so I don't know. But this is a adorable journal. And it's a TN notebook size. And there's stuff in the pockets and a journaling card on it. Actually, this is a decorated envelope that has stuff in it. And it's copy dyed papers, grid papers. And in the back, you got a little tuck spot. And it's just a little soft covered, but it's really nice. And the second, I think, yes, this is just a junk journal cover. And, nope, that's glue shut. But it has a cabinet card on the cover, and you would have to sew in your own or put in your Midori style. But it's really a nice journal cover. So secondly, we got a gift from the lovely Malia, and I haven't even opened it yet. Well, I've opened the box, but I haven't taken anything out, so let's do that. So we got handmade soaps and wax melts, a smelly prize. So one of them is leather wood, guava and fig, and sandalwood. Oh, my son loved that stuff. And then over here you have Simply Home Yankee Candle, Sweet Pea, and Ocean Waters. These are the little candle melts. And this is Secret Garden, mixed fragrance of rainy days and paddle showers. And I'll split those up into separate prizes. Then we have little willow angel. I love these things. Willow tree remembrance. A little angel. Somebody's going to be really happy getting this one. And oh no, I have this book I was going to put in there. Book was inscribed in front cover but otherwise unused. So this is a Start Where You Are journal for self-exploration. I bought it too and never used mine either, so yeah, we may end up with 2 of these in donations. It's a journal of self-exploration. And it's really nice. I mean, it really gives you plenty of writing space. So we have this. And this is one more thing in there. Oh, it's another willow tree angel. So there's 2 of the willow tree angels. I'm not going to unwrap this one because I already showed it. But yeah, there's 2 of the willow tree angels here. I love these things. Can't believe Malia just gave them away. But if you see Erin in the Adirondaks or the lovely Malia, thank them for the bingo prizes. They will be coming out in a few weeks, I'm sure. And we will see you soon. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you Monday nights at 7 Eastern here on my channel for lots of fun playing bingo.